YouTube, what is good? I am back with a brand new video. Here today I'm going to be going in depth on how to make these trap Glo melodies that I've been recently going over. Now I have a 1K kit that is in the description of this video here that has 20 plus loops all created by me within this sound. I want to say thank you to everybody who has been supporting the kit. I don't really have any income, so everything really helps me out in this time. You know, I'm transitioning into a new job and I really appreciate it if you just drop a like or subscribe to the channel. It really helps me, it helps the channel out, it keeps me going, it keeps me pushing on and bringing dope content to you all. Here today I'm going to be going through the process of the sound selection, the melodies, different things like that, different keys that you should be in when creating these melodies, and then I'll go through the process of drumming it, turn it into a full beat. The beat will be uploaded here on the channel also. I know a lot of people ask me that, do I upload the beats also? Yes, I do upload the beats. I thank you again for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Alright, so I already got some stuff that was already cooking up here off camera. I had an idea for the brass. That's what I'm starting with first. Now, that's pretty much all you need is just a brass, a pizzicato, some other instruments like a string or something like that, a synth, and a lead. It's pretty simple. You can throw pianos in there too. I like doing that too. Now, here's my brass. Next here I got the pizzicato. One of my favorite go-tos just because it always just like brings more life to the melody and just like gives it like more of like a bop, and it just like it's like a call and response to the actual brass. So here's that. Now when you play them together you'll get this. Alright, and then I came here and added a piano. Now I wanted to just do like some keys. I like these keys personally, they like sound really good, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that, and it's pretty much following the same keys that the brass and the other instruments are, building on top, putting sauce on it. Alright, there's that. And then I had this little sound here. I thought this was pretty nice to just go in the background of everything, and I'll just play this. Yeah, something that simple. Like, it doesn't have to be that complicated with these melodies. You know, it's a lot of layering that goes into them to make them sound fuller and big. So this is what I have so far. This is like without any like processing or any effects or anything like that that I do plan on doing on top of it. And I'm gonna also add a lead on top of this in just a second. Pretty simple drums here. Alright, I'm pretty much done with the beat here. Here's the final result. Everything's here. Got my tag on it and everything. Mixed everything. Alright, YouTube, thank you again for tuning in. Everybody who is still here at this part of the video, I definitely appreciate y'all the most, because watch time and a lot of these different things do play a fact into getting this channel monetized. Thank you again for just helping me out along this journey and just witnessing me go through the process of building this channel into something that I want to make some type of impact or just have some type of knowledge to share on to others for this channel. And this channel really is about helping artists. I give away a lot of my beats for free. A lot of them are free for profit, so a lot of that just goes back into me just wanting to give back to music and to art. Thank you again for just being here and supporting me. I really am appreciative. Like I always say at the end of the videos, stay blessed, stay grateful, be great, be amazing. You got this. Peace.